If my mama would have been alive, I would appreciate my life so much more. I wouldn't have to deal with all these problems, problems, problems that I have today. You wouldn't even be a part of this family. You would be far, far, far away. Go back where you belong. Don't come here anymore. You're not welcome. So don't try to take them all away. 'Cause I am a part of this little world, but it's big inside. Oh, yes, indeed it is. Who are you? Yes, who are you to try to take them all away?